Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Luciano is coming home. Reggae icon Luciano uploaded this video on social media while at the airport with the caption, "Postponed all shows, heading back home." The singer doing his jazz version of Wade in the Water, released back in 2018. The artist had a show in London on March 15. However, we are unable to confirm if it was held. Now, in the region, Barbados Minister of Health, Lieutenant Colonel Jeffrey Bostic, yesterday stated that the country is in stage 1 of its COVID-19 plan, which included restricting all local events.
All public gatherings such as sporting and cultural events or any event that attracts crowds will be restricted to 100 persons.
One major festival, Barbados Reggae Festival, has been cancelled. The festival was scheduled for April. The week-long music fest attracts thousands of international patrons with performances from leading regional and local reggae acts. Now to news overseas, where Oprah has gone viral. In the midst of the coronavirus pandemic, media mogul Oprah Winfrey trended on Twitter yesterday in relation to a fake report that claims police raided her Florida home as she was arrested for, get this, sex trafficking charges. In response, Oprah took to Twitter to refute the claims, insisting that they are false, noting that she has been busy helping reduce the spread of the coronavirus. CNN reported that the bogus story had been started by the far-right group Canon, which is known for spreading conspiracy theories. Now, celebrities are giving back. Sierra and husband Russell Wilson have announced plans to help battle the effects of coronavirus on food supply in Seattle. The singer and her football player husband noted that their community in Seattle has been hard hit by the virus. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.